I'm on the Euro Great British Pound OTC pair, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is if we look at first of all, if we look at the price action, several green candles printed consecutively suggesting a bullish trend here. Then we have the ADX lines, signal lines, the plus DI line and the minus DI line showing a divergence here. Then if you look at the wins percent R line, it's printing above the minus 20 line here and holding steady. And the momentum indicator here, the histogram bars are printing above the zero line and they're growing in length here. So all of these confluences, the price action, the bullish price action, the divergence of the ADX lines, the wins percent R momentum line, as well as the momentum indicator, all suggest a continued bullish push to the upside over the next 2 minutes. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money.